Hello, my name is James Stanley, and I will be performing the song I Met a Girl from Bells Are Ringing with music by Jewel Stein. I met a girl, a wonderful girl. She's really got a lot to recommend her for a girl. For once we have seen her, the others are out. Hey, what am I getting so excited about? But so what does she got? Others have not. 2 eyes, 2 lips, a nose. Most girls have some of those. And yet when she looks up at me, what do I see? The most enchanting face. My pulse begins to raise. Hey, I met a girl, a wonderful girl. She's rarer than uranium and fairer than a pearl. I found me a treasure and I wanna shout. This is what I'm getting so excited about. I met a girl and I fell in love today.